Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making tacos together. So I have all my products down below, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick little glimpse. I'm gonna start off with peppers, onion for chopping up, a little bit of lettuce for later, and then I'm gonna cut up my little small itty-witty tomato, and then after that we're gonna go into preparing the meat, season it up a little bit, and then making the tacos. And I already have the taco shells, so that shouldn't be hard at the end. So first I'm gonna go ahead and get my chopping board, my knife, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, that should be good. And we're gonna just go ahead and slice it up a little bit more. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one a little bit more. All I'm gonna do in here is put these two peppers in. So one we didn't use, other one, seal it up. And then I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator. Oh, and this little bad boy too. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of this bag that it came in, the packaging. And if you guys didn't already subscribe, down below, we do all types of videos on this channel. We do hauls, cooking, CS videos, anything you can really think about, because multifaceted people make multifaceted videos. So let's go to the meat. I'm gonna put y'all over here. Olive oil to put at the bottom. Okay, cool. Most people like you gotta heat it up and stuff, so this don't take too long because it's glass. Sausage in there. I like mine for sausage. I also do ground beef. I don't have any ground beef today, so this is what we'll be getting. I'm gonna just put about half of it. Just enough for me. Hey, okay, and I'm also gonna go ahead and put some peppers in here so it can cook along with it. And then onions too. Y'all do what y'all want to do with that. And then, yeah, I'm gonna put these peppers in. We got the food going on here. Okay. Break it up just a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get some seasoning in there. So I'm going with Cajun. A bit of paprika if you like to look. I don't know why the paprika not working, but it's paprika. And I like my stuff spicy. Onion powder. And a little garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and knock a little bit in there. Okay. And lemon juice. A little dab. You guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these taco shells in the oven at actually, no, I'm gonna put my taco shells in the air fryer, and then I'm gonna show you the whole thing after. All right, be right back. Okay, so while that's going on, I'm gonna go ahead and open this little box up. So this is all the taco shells. And then I'm going to make like 4. So I'm gonna show you guys when you put them in. Okay, maybe I can fit 3. Okay. Oh, one more for sure. So I got 4 taco shells in here, and the box did say what does the box say? Okay, period. Oh, 300, 3 to 5 minutes. 300, and then we're gonna do a little opposite what the box say. So I want them 7 minutes, and then when this is done, we'll come back and I'll show you me doing it all over. It's just how the meat is going this far. It's starting to look really good. But yeah, be back in a few. Girl, I do not like using big knives. Okay. Okay, so now I'm struggling to put this in here because I did too much lettuce and tomatoes, but whatever. Keep watching, it's gonna get better. This is the end result. They look so good. We have the food here, and my other camera died while I was filming, but anyways, I'm gonna try it on camera for you guys so you guys know it's good. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little sour cream. You guys. Yum, yum, yum. But yeah. I really did not eat that soup. I did not eat that soup. Anyways. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in my video of me making tacos. All right, love you, bye.